you could still end up with 3 if I can't hang on. But
trust me, I'll be in the same boat, Graham.
I'm getting my excuses in early.
I've just done a little bit of the route, and it goes once you go past the volcano and over the bridge. There's some serious incline there, so we've got to dig in there, I think.
I've ridden it though. But yeah, a bit grippy as they say.
Yeah, there is two substantial climbs, no?
Yeah, one comes quite early though, doesn't it?
Yep, right.
Well, we did okay on the climbs last week. We'll do the same sort of thing. Just stay together and keep an eye on each other.
Yeah, good point. Yeah, well, that was a tough one last week. Wow.
I talked to...
I didn't. That was where I disappeared.
I talked to Jakob. Probably he shall go first on the climb, but he shall take care not to go more than 4 watts per kilo and look back.
Yeah.
And for the ones that are fearing the climb, we don't need to push 4, in fact, because they are very lightweight. For us, it's a little bit less due to the weight of the bike. We are at 3.7 or 3.8. It's for a minute or a little bit more. We should manage that, I think.
So are we still missing one person?
It's still a minute to go, but perhaps we need to live with that.
So there were 7 of us down, wasn't there? And I assume we've only got 6 at the moment.
Yeah.
I'll be okay. It's a nightmare getting all your kit to work and getting it connected. And I mean, I got logged out tonight and got a bit of a panic on, but fortunately remembered my password.
My companion app started to do network error on me, so I had to uninstall it and reinstall it again.
Oh dear.
Weird.
It's just random, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so we're nearly there.
Have you guys changed your name? I hope so. And you are on a Cadex, on a time trial.
Everybody's on the Cadex, yeah? Hopefully.
Alex, I hope he's on a time trial. It looks like, but he has a kid's account.
Oh, Matt's here. Well done, Matt.
Okay. Right, off we go.
Paul is in.
I'm in 6. I think I've got back to 6, actually.
Even. Right.
Let's get the line.
Yeah, it's getting fast.
Riley, you boys have gone off a bit quick.
Kramer pushes me out. He should be at 5.
Right, I'm going to come off at 1 minute.
Let's try and get this line. It'll certainly help us.
Kramer, are you in? Okay, I go to 4.
Right, off in 5. That's me off.
Looking good from the back. Forward.
Kramer, you're pushing me out. Stay in the line, please. Okay, better.
Keep dropping, pull one more.
I got it. And I'm on the back.
Okay, the kids are on the front. This is good. In the back, everything okay?
Fine.
Yeah, we're okay.
Jakob?
Yeah.
Stay on the wheel, no?
Okay.
Very good. 2 meters is best. Alex is dropping his watts. He should go 5. Matt, you are not in your position. I should be second, and you should.
Don't worry about it. Just concentrate on getting the line, worrying about positions. Let's just try and get the aerodynamics sorted.
I'm going to the front.
We're a bit bunched, really, in the middle at the moment.
Right, that's coming back. That's a good line.
Alex has got to ease off a little bit. Pushing me out of the draft.
Reme, try to relax in the back.
It's difficult. We're not getting any draft.
Almost in a line. Good line at the front. Yeah, there we are.
What's the
That's
matter with you get draft?
4 meters. No more than 4. I've got 5 now.
Out in 5
Okay.
seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's a gap between 4 and 5.
Yeah, we're just closing it.
We've got to try and...
That's 5
Yeah,
coming past you. I'm just behind
There you
him.
go. Ready to go?
Yep. Just pulling you to the front.
Right, you're at the back and I'm trying to get back.
I'm in second position, that's right.
Reme, could you go behind me? He's not listening.
Is that you?
Who's that coming through there behind me? Graham, ease off a little bit, mate.
Okay, Matt. In the front at the minute. I'll do for not 750. If I can.
Okay, Reme, perfect.
Right, I don't really want to be at the front going up this slope.
Yep.
Right, pull off then. That's fine.
Okay, I'm in second at the moment, so if someone wants to come past me in second.
I go to second.
Good line.
First step is over in a few seconds. The second step is much harder. I go to the front.
Gap between 4 and 5.
We dropped
Yeah, we're
some.
coming back.
We need to reach the top together. Okay, good. Last tough climb. Great, you're doing great. Okay, out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out. Paul would be good for the downhill. There's a little incline over the bridge. Come on, second wheel, who's second wheel?
I'll take second.
We are all together.
All right.
Whoever is in the front, push.
Yeah, I'll take a moment on the front.
I'll go behind you, Paul.
Shout if we need to regroup.
I think we're okay.
Okay, now single line.
Easy number 3. Not too far.
All right, I'm going to come up at 11:30.
Okay. I've got to do 30 seconds, that's okay. 2:12. Oh, Graham's gone through.
Okay, I'm coming off.
I might as well go in the front if I'm heavy.
I just did a bit of speaking there, sorry.
Single line, guys. We are at 60. Okay, out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'll go on the front.
Easy, number 3. Straight through me. Okay.
Great line, very good.
Not too close, number 4. Otherwise, you're going to be bunched up again. Just ease off the pedals a little bit. Let's get this line back.
Yeah, try to keep the sorting.
Who's pedaling by the side of me?
Sorry.
Number 7. Okay, I'll try and get into. Hang on.
Come on, you get into it.
All we've got to do is tell each other. If we can't do it, just say, and somebody else can take over. So communication's key in this.
Yep. Right, we're back in the line.
Sorry. There's again a small climb ahead, no? The dirt climb.
Yeah, 11 meters.
And we have Alex in the front, the lightest rider.
Is Alex going to take it to the top of the climb, Rudiger?
No, I would recommend,
Okay.
he was in the front for long. I think it should be
Number
done
3, he's too close. Oh,
by
okay.
Jakub. By Jakub.
Yeah, I can take front.
Guys, in the front, not side by side.
No, well, I'm not pedaling.
I go to the front.
It's Grace here at the back.
I'll slot in number 4 then, if that's okay. Whoever.
Yeah.
No, number 5. I'll go in front of you. Who's number 7? I'll go in front of 7. Oh no, Paul, it's you, is it?
That's me.
Okay, I'll go behind you, Paul.
Slot in where you can.
Yeah, okay, I'm in.
Oh, we've got a bit of gravel.
I'll slow us down.
Yeah, it slows down.
Oh, sorry.
Out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I cannot communicate with Alex, Jakub.
Okay.
Paul, come on.
That's a great line.
Very good. We need that going down the hill as well. That'd be excellent.
Climb is not yet finished.
Oh.
Careful, Jakub. We dropped 2.
No, we're okay.
We're fine.
We need you. In the downhill, we need you.
We're here, don't worry.
Mr. Blobby at the ready. That's me, by the way.
I think that's me, Paul.
Don't panic, Damien, this is a safe space.
Oh, we blobbed.
Yeah.
We're over the top together though.
Second wheel. Go, go, go. Front, slow down.
Right, bit of downhill.
Push in the front.
Push, yeah.
Take it
seven.
Otherwise
closely.
we're gonna,
All right.
Right,
we're gonna get.
Paul
Otherwise
goes
we're
to the
gonna
front.
through.
Paul goes to the front.
Come
Careful.
on.
Everyone to the front.
Not sure who does second.
Good, good. Very good.
A little bit of a gap at the back.
We have a gap in the back. Paul,
Yeah. And I'm coming off at 19.
I'll go on at 19 then.
Off in 5.
I'm going to the back. I'm toast.
And I'm off.
Do you want me to just ease off a little bit or wait or just go?
I think it's
I'll come,
okay.
I'm coming through, Paul.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Go ahead.
Easy, Alex. Easy, number 7.
He has no Discord. His mum
I'm
doesn't.
coming off at 9. I'm coming off at 19:45. Oh, I'm off now then.
He doesn't
Someone
hear
went
it.
past me.
He doesn't hear it because he has no Discord. His mum.
Okay.
His mum doesn't allow it.
No, I know, you said, yeah, fine.
Who goes
Let's get
second?
the line again.
I go
When
second
he
wheel.
eats
The line.
When it eases, just take over. Keep an eye on his watts.
He does a minute, doesn't he? I think.
Should do. Another good line.
Very good.
He's dropping out. I take over.
Number 7 in second. That's Brian Powers passing.
On the last one. Green socks.
Right, you've got one more to go.
Try and get it at the front in a line rather than bunching. Oh, straight for you, sorry.
Okay, out in 5,
We're
4,
nearly there.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Downhill again.
Keep dropping, Whittaker. 2 more.
Yep.
2 more.
I'm going to take the down.
The first one has dropped the second one.
Talk to him. Who's at the front? Slow down.
It's me, I'm slow in.
So I'm going to drop in the alley from the 5 station.
If you're strong, go longer, not harder.
Right, coming off.
Okay, coming through, Paul. Who's at the front, Alex? No.
They can't roll in through. So it's carried a bit of speed.
Guys, we need more power in the front. 2.3 is not okay for the front. Jakob, go to front, please. Steady power.
Just look at the speed.
Yeah, but now what's happened now is the front three have disappeared. Okay, we're coming back.
Oh, the wing tone coming up.
Got a little bit of a gap. Just coming through.
Oh, my son is sick.
Push it.
He drops out.
I'll go front. I don't really want to be front going up the hill, to be honest.
Okay,
Seems a bit.
I can go to front if you want.
we'll take it.
Yeah. Seems counterintuitive being the heaviest.
I'm
Not more
going
than
now.
4. Sounds pretty toast.
Let's keep it smooth. Keep it smooth up here.
Last climb, guys.
Or is this the last one? Oh, good. And then we can push it.
Well, we're good lines, but there's 2 of them.
Yeah. I think going uphill is not that important. It's a downhill one you benefit, I think, Paul, the most.
As long as everybody gets a little bit of draft.
Yeah.
Jakob, you can do the first stretch of the downhill
Okay.
until we are on speed.
I'm happy to get through when we're up to speed.
Rudy, you've got a keyboard. Can you say no problem to Alex, please? Right. Who's taking over?
Let's push it down the downhill. Let's push it.
Okay.
Get in the line.
Who goes third wheel?
Get in the line.
Stop, stop, stop. Third wheel. Okay.
Good.
Okay. Almost there.
Drop 2, 1 and 2, ease off a fraction.
Okay.
Are you alright, Rudiger? Can you catch him?
Good.
Okay, let me fit in there, Rudiger. Oh.
Yeah, I let you fit in. Okay, now single line. All is flat.
Coming off.
I'll go.
I go third wheel. Jakob, you good?
Yeah, I'm okay, yeah.
Perfect.
I'll come off at 29.
Mike, if you want to drop out of the lead.
You can take over if you want.
2.6 is not enough. If you want to
Okay,
drop,
you go then.
if you
Go.
want to drop,
Drop, go.
I'm going back where I belong.
I'm going there as well.
okay, I'm behind Jakob, Graham is behind me.
Not a bad line.
Perfect. This is saving energy.
When you put in a dig to get back, and then
You can't stop, can you? No,
no,
you just roll through.
yeah,
Difficult.
Drop to the back, please. Simply go to 0 watts until you are in the end. Mike, I think you're 6, so leave some space.
I am at 6. No, what am I? I'm 5 at the moment.
Jakob, take over.
Drop to the back there, Graham.
aye, of course. You don't ease right back. We get caught behind your draft. Right, we're back in sequence.
That's good.
Leave me some space. Number 7. You're dropping me out of the draft.
Right.
Yeah, sorry, it's just when I try and put a dig in, no excuse.
This is your time to save energy. Just stay in the line.
Easier said than done.
Yeah.
Just stop pedaling if you're too far in front, just ease off pedaling. And let the other person in. Or talk and decide which one wants to go where.
When my
Graham, ease off a bit. Thank you.
5, 2, 1.
Graham, you pushed me out again.
That's good, Jakob. You're passing 5.
We have a gap.
Yeah.
We have a gap.
Right, ease back.
Ease in. Everybody ease off. Graham, ease.
Right, that was my fault. Just getting past.
Are we back? Can we go?
Yeah, yeah.
Out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out.
That's good. Oh, shot, sorry. Oh, what's happened? Thinks I'm going faster than I am.
When are you coming off, number 7?
33.50.
Okay.
If I can hold that long.
I don't know what you mean. Okay, I'll take over.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to
Dropping off.
34.20. 34.20. Okay, coming off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's taking 2? Who's taking over? Graham?
Nice. That's lovely.
Great line, that. Perfect. Keep it.
Oh. Okay.
Talk, who's taking over at the front?
Yeah.
Jakob
Here we
is
go.
I'll communicate.
I got to try and settle in to number 7. Try and find an answer order.
second wheel. Don't let him go.
Well, I'm just going to take it steady at 3 watts,
Yeah, that's good.
just so we can get grouped.
I think we're okay, Paul.
Okay, just
You're not set fraction.
give a little bit more.
Number 7, he's off.
Yeah.
Right, I'm coming up at 37.
Great, Paul.
Is anybody else on tax
Try to
here?
stay with the power. It's great. Kramer, don't ride side by side. Very good. Up to 3 meters is okay.
You can actually get away with 4, just about. There's a fine line.
Great, Paul.
Coming off in 5. And I'm off.
Okay. You've just gone straight past me, Rudiger.
Jakob, you can
Oh,
go.
no, no, it's not you, sorry. Accusations there, that's terrible.
Jakob, you can go faster.
Okay.
if you can.
It's not whether he can go faster, it's whether I can stay with him. Number 7, fraction. Let's do off a fraction.
Okay.
You're not benefiting from my craft.
Stopping in 5 seconds.
Okay. Does someone want to take the front? Because I can't. No.
Yeah, but I'll go for number 7. I'll do this for a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
Right, you're on the back now.
Yeah.
Really go. Do you want to go past me,
Yes,
That's a
of
good
course.
line.
or do you want to keep the line? It's up to you.
No, just drop back. It's just if you push, I cannot pass because there is no
Okay. I'm
way.
only pedaling. I'm only doing 2.1.
That's it. We're there.
Brings it on the front belt.
Right, 5k left.
5 flattish.
Right, you're passing 4. One more.
Come on, let's see if we can get in the top 10. That'd be good.
Sorry. Listen, I'm just going to come through and take a pull.
Okay.
You want to pull, Paul?
Yeah, I'll just take a pull.
Okay,
Just back up to 42.
I'm dropping back. There's a gap behind you, Paul.
That's okay. It's being closed.
Everybody still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still there.
All right, I'm going to come up with 42.
Paul, careful.
Okay. Easing back. Is that okay?
Yep. Good line.
Coming off in 5. And I'm off.
Let's get the line. Last few meters, come on. I'll go for green socks. I'll go 5 then.
That's another good line.
Come on in the second and third position. Doesn't make any sense.
When we get down to 2 kilometres, let's really go for it. Try and up it and keep a nice line if we can.
Yeah. Sounds easy.
This is good. This is very good now. Keep it like this for a minute.
That's perfect.
Oh, we're bunching.
Good lead, Mark.
Indicate if you're dropping. Is this a drop or do you continue?
Keep going, go.
So,
Let's try and get a line again. We're at 7 at the moment, 7, so let's push it.
just take it easy at the back and we'll get back into the line.
Easy, Graham. That's it, mate, well done.
More than 3 watts in the front. Either drop out.
I'm happy to take the downhill.
Go on.
All right. Number 7, easy.
Great, Mark. I'm second wheel.
We're all bunched up a bit
Do
at the
not
back.
bunch up.
On the
Right. Somebody take the flat for me.
We are at 50 kilometers an hour.
Somebody take it. Take it, go on.
Coming through.
It's not a scratch race.
Yes. Oh, let's get this line. And then the 500 metres, we can push it.
Everybody on?
I think so. Good line.
Half a K left. A little bit of a split.
Push it now, go.
Jakob, wait.
Oh, my. Great stuff.
I think I'm in overtraining. Really weak today. So weak.